Naptalam belongs to the arylcarboxylates family. It is a selective pre-emergence herbicide used to control a wide range of annual broadleaf weeds. Mode of action: Naptalam acts as a pre-emergent herbicide by inhibiting auxin transport. This disruption affects cell division and elongation within the plant, preventing weed seedlings from establishing. By targeting the plant's growth hormones, Naptalam effectively stops the development of susceptible weed species before they emerge from the soil. Formulation: Naptalam is typically available in formulations such as granules, wettable powders, and emulsifiable concentrates. Naptalam is often combined with other herbicides to broaden the spectrum of weed control, making it more effective against a variety of weed species. Uses: Naptalam is primarily used for controlling broadleaf weeds in crops like soybeans, peanuts, and various vegetables. It is effective when applied pre-emergence, meaning it is used before the weeds have germinated and emerged from the soil. This herbicide is also utilized as a selective pre-emergence herbicide for controlling both broadleaf weeds and grasses in crops such as cucumbers, melons, and in established woody ornamental stock. By applying Naptalam pre-emergence, farmers and gardeners can protect their crops from weed competition early in the growing season, ensuring healthier and more robust crop growth. Thank you for watching our video on pesticide info. Remember, when using pesticides, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Always read the label carefully and use the product as directed to ensure effective and safe pest control. Always wear protective gear. Stay safe and protect your crops responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.